who? Huh? Why are you in my bedroom? Huh? Why are you in my bedroom? For Christ's sake. Bella? Go and call Bella. Why are you in my bedroom? Huh? Where do you work? Let me see your ID. Can I see your ID, please?
Let me get it.
Stay there, stay there, stay there.
Let me get it.
No, stay there, stay there.
Okay.
Who are you? Tell me your name.
I'm Jerome again.
What?
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my people. Wahala, they say it be like bicycle. Wetin dey happen for Africa people? Like seriously, like I don't understand. How can a man go the one Jogodo person wife? Like I don't understand. This one just still dey happen now, my people. This man just can't catch a wife, the Jogodo, or not that man for bed, my people. Not be smart, you know. Like the man catch a red-handed. They ask the man, say, wetin you dey do for my bedroom? This man not see anything. He no fit talk like I don't understand. Wetin dey happen? As in, una not come say young girl follow again. I've been a married woman. I call the una dey enjoy na be. I don't understand. My people, more see help me for comment too. I don't understand. Wetin go make man pass all the young girls wey dey this world? They say na married woman. Now im mind go come enter. This man no dey house, my people. More na lis ten. He no dey house. He don tell him wife don dey do this thing. So in the hear am for rumor, but he no gree believe. One faithful day now, he come pretend like saying they go work. Whereas he no go, he can't go hide. As he can't go hide, now he come see say the man enter house. The man he don't pull he clothes, pull everything. Then the man just come cash and they ask him, what are you doing in my bedroom? This man don't see anything talk. They begin they roll format. But say the man they threaten her with something. They come the fear say I beg, I will confess. Say he don't tell where he don't they come the Jogodo the woman. I don't understand. How you go just know say and this kind of man if he get wife for house. If he get wife for house, wetin go make you now? Just pass all the men where they all the women where they this world. Young girls, even though you want to cheat on your wife now, young girls they you not see them carry. You come married woman, my people, married woman. And this man can see out of all the old people where they this one, married woman now he I can enter. Like I know as in what do you want to achieve for this one now? Eh? You go just pass everything and married woman, your man go conde. Like, are you kidding me right now? What did they happen to some men these days? Eh? As I see this video, the thing shocked my people. I say, only me one, not go see this one, no. My people, only me one. If you want to see the full video, more na come to my Facebook page. Una go see her for there, my my Facebook re. Una go see her for there. Juliet Iboji. Una go see her for there, my people. Like, wanna go follow me for there. The thing shocked me, like, seriously. Eh? This some men, una go get wife. You don't know, say, as you go to Jogodo on another person. That's what I do to your wife. You don't know. Now, vice versa, they go do it to your own wife, too. That is why it's not good to do all those kind of things. It did very, very bad. It did very, very bad. How you go just wake up in the morning say now so go Jogodo married woman. Married woman will come they enter your eye. Like I don't understand. What is this word come they turn into now, my people? What is this word they turn into now? Eh? You go just pass all the men. See now married woman now your eye could just come enter. Eh? My people, oh, some of my people, some men, it's like they do this, like maybe they go the Jogodo married women. Like I don't understand. How can a man go just wake up in the morning and to go Jogodo? All your mates they work. You don't look for young girls, maybe you even follow, even though you want to cheat on your wife. Eh? A married woman. See this public disgrace where they give you now. Your John Thomas don't full everywhere now, my people. The video there with me, oh. Hey, now also not the video. I don't feel put on this side. You understand? Hey, but small. Now go your listing. More than let me show the video, my people. Like the thing shocked me. Eh? You just pass all the women for this world now. Now married woman, your eye go come just enter. My people, this one shock me, oh. This one shocked me. The other one, what we still do that day. That one, a pastor, wife, we get belly. You go Jogodo, another fellow pastor. Eh? What did they happen to married women these days now? No wonder. I know say some women they read the grief for them because that's some matter will be say if I just wear the car, dress sexy, me go to talk to me, don't visit maybe another man. I feel like I don't marry. You understand? Because someone say you know me, I'll say, eh? How can you tell me say you know me, married woman? So now I know say some women they read it when I make men if they toast you, tell they say you don't marry, they'll say you know me. Because many women they do one. Yeah. Many even one see me with my children. He say you know me. I insult and say you dey crazy. Don't they look face. Now it isn't how married women now they fool themselves. If some way when they see they fool themselves, not be all. You understand? Because I believe say now the way we take do, now the man go tell say okay. You know? How you go just pass or I don't understand. Some women they will not get tradition for that place. Una not get tradition. Eh? Now wow, I feel I will not fear some women my people, make I put the video make una see about I know put on when I just listen to some parts inside when the man they ask am say wetin you dey do for my bedroom. The man no see something to talk. What are you doing in my bedroom? You no fit talk again. My people. Now wow, not the way Musa no go see for gate, not the way person no go see for this social media. We don see so many things, so the thing don't even shock. Talize us, we don't tire. We not gonna wait till the apple again, wait till they play. We not gonna do. So make I put the video make una see. More than I make sure the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Who? Huh? Why are you in my bedroom? Huh? Why are you in my bedroom? For Christ's sake. Bella? Go and call Bella. Why are you in my bedroom? Huh? Where do you work? Let me see your ID. Can I see your ID, please?
Let me get it.
Stay there, stay there, stay there.
Let me get it.
No, stay there, stay there.
Okay.
Who are you? Tell me your name.
I'm Jerome again.
What do you want here?
Please don't kill me.
What do you want here? This is my home. This is my house.
Yes, sir.
I built it from the first brick.
Yes,
What are you
sir.
doing here?
Let me tell you.
Yes. And tell the truth.
Yes.
Because I'm going to push the thing inside you.
Yes.
And then we go to court and then we do what we sort it out. Tell me.
Okay, the thing is, I visited here. And this lady.
And this lady, continue. Call Bella for me.
I just called Bella.
Continue.
This lady came and she told me.
Bella, you see what your mother is doing? This is a naked man in my bed.
No, I'm not doing anything.
Open. What are you doing in my bed?